Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys a few products that I bought for back to school. As you guys may or may not know, a lot of my makeup went through the washer and part of the dryer, so a lot of it got ruined, so I needed new makeup anyway, but also I just like having a fresh set of the makeup that I use almost every single day. I also really wanted to organize my makeup in this video, so I don't have a lot of makeup just because I have like a set routine and it doesn't really change. You'll be seeing that later in this video, but first let's get into the makeup haul. First thing that I bought is this makeup organizer, which is what inspired me to organize my makeup in the first place. I got this from the Target dollar section for $3. Yeah, I love the Target dollar section. You can find some amazing stuff there if you look around. So yeah, this was only $3 and I'm so excited. The next thing that I got, which is actually new, but it's the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte Foundation. Before this, I used to use the Maybelline BB cream, but I wanted something with slightly more coverage and something that was a little bit more long wear. This shade matches my face perfectly, and it does a really good job of just like being matte, staying on my face all day, and just looking really natural at the same time. I guess I'll just kind of go in order of like my makeup routine, but the next thing I got is the Maybelline Under Eye Concealer. This stuff is amazing. Yeah, I never used to use concealer before like last year, but once I started using this, it just makes my face look so much more awake. And if you struggle with like under eye bags or anything, this stuff is for you. I got a new Fit Me powder. Let me show you what my other one looks like. So this is the one that went through the washer and it is literally gone. Like, I've been using the last pieces of that for the past month, but I'm so happy that now I just have a new one. The next thing I got is a beauty sponge. I've been wanting to try these because I literally just blend my makeup with my fingers, or sometimes I use a brush, but I've been wanting a sponge, but I did not want to spend $20 on the actual beauty blender, so I just got this e.l.f. one for now just to see if I like it, and then I think if I do like it, then I'll go out and buy a beauty blender, but really excited to try this. The next thing I got is not makeup, but it still falls into the beauty category, and it is just a foaming sugar scrub from Bath & Body Works. I really want one of these just because sugar scrubs make your skin so soft, and I haven't used one in a while, and I think my skin needs some of this. So yeah, I'm gonna start using this and hopefully I'll like it. Last thing I got you would have seen if you saw my last summer vlog, but I got the Kylie lip kit in the shade Exposed. I did not buy this, Arsh bought this for me, but I am so thankful. I am not a lip person at all. Like, at most I'll wear like my rose Vaseline on my lips just because I feel like nothing looks good on me. But yesterday Arsh and I took 30 minutes to find the right shade for me, and this one is Exposed and it actually looked good on me, which I was really surprised about. So yeah, I'm really excited to start using this. I definitely won't be wearing this every single day. This is more like a going out type thing. But yeah, I'm really excited to have this. Now that I've shown you all the new makeup that I bought, it is time to start organizing it into my organizer. As you can see, I have a bunch of makeup in here that I don't use, so the stuff that'll go in the organizer is stuff that I'm going to be using really often. So here's my organizer, here's the new makeup, and then I also have a box of more makeup that I never really use, so I'm going to take that out too and decide what I want to put in this. I'm gonna put in this what I really use often, and then the rest of it will just stay in here. So after going through all of my makeup, this is what I came up with for the products that I most use and just stuff that would make sense to put in an everyday container. Go through everything really quickly. Start with this corner back here. I just have two mascaras. I have Benefit Roller Lash and the L'Oreal Voluminous Carbon Black Mascara. These are the only two mascaras I've been using in the past year. Section right next to that, I just have 3 lip products. So obviously the 2 Kylie products that I had from the lip kit, and then also this random, just like, I don't even know this brand, but I really like this color. And then in this back section, I just have all of my makeup brushes. There's a combination of like random ones and then a lot of ones from Real Techniques because those brushes are my favorite. In this front section, I just have a lot of face products. So L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte Foundation. I have my Maybelline BB Cream. I have the Instant Age Rewind Concealer. I have the sponge from e.l.f. that I got. I have my Hoola Bronzer. I just have a Benefit Benetint, a mini Shape Tape, just in case I need that extra coverage. I have a Morphe highlighter. And then finally, I just have the Maybelline Fit Me concealer, not concealer, the Maybelline Fit Me powder. Right next to that, this is just kind of a random section. So I have the Urban Decay Makeup Setting Spray. I just have a hand cream from L'Occitane. I think that's how you pronounce it. I have this butter lipstick from NYX. I have my favorite Burt's Bees Vanilla. I just have a little roll-on spray from DKNY, and then I have this, which is also one of my favorites, the Vaseline Lip Therapy in Rosy Lips. This little section down here, I have all eye stuff. So this is a palette that I really like from Bare Minerals. I have 2 of these Revlon eyeliners because I go through them so fast. I also have 2 of these NYX roll-on shimmers. This one's a slightly more pinky color, and then this one's a more just like gold. I have this Urban Decay gold eyeshadow, which I use all the time, and then last but not least, I just have the Duo Clear White Eyelash Glue. Something else that won't fit in here, but I use really often is my Naked 3 palette. So I think once I move this into college, I'll just have this just like chilling on the side or something. If you guys enjoyed seeing my makeup haul as well as my new makeup organization, and I will see you guys in my next video on Monday.